name is Willie Lau, Liu Wei Li. I'm the chief scientist of Beijing Oriental Yuhong Waterproof Company. I was born in Hong Kong and I received most of my higher education in the US. I worked with a major chemical company in the US in material research for almost 30 years, and I joined Yuhong in 2013. Oriental Yuhong is the largest waterproofing technology company in China, and it has a very ambitious plan on expansion into the global stage. It presents me with a very exciting opportunity to be involved in such a major transition for both the company and for China. From the technology perspective, there is a difference between the approaches between the Chinese company and the West company along the R&D path. Traditionally, Chinese company tends to spend a lot more focus on formulation and processing in order to deliver products rapidly. Western company tends to spend time on building a scientific platform in order to deliver a product with better performance balances. I believe a balance between the two approaches is conducive for Yuhong to grow into a technology leader in this industry. So over the last 2 years, we have been building analytical instrumentation capability as well as synthetic capability. I think for the long term, with this capability, it will have a major impact of how Yuhong can solve problems. We can have much better quality control, have innovation, as well as be able to better serve our customers. Part of the overall plan in advancing the R&D organization in Yuhong is to mimic the Western system. We have established several programs in the US, including asphalt and coating research in universities and research institutes. This will allow Yuhong scientists to go overseas and work alongside the Western counterparts. In the future, Yuhong would like to build an independent R&D center overseas. This opportunity will allow our scientists to learn and be able to absorb the Western culture, including their methods, their thinking, the communication skill, intellectual property management, program management, and overall in the future, they will develop into the leader in the company. We are also recruiting industrial experts to help develop our R&D division. For example, Joseph Rukowski, who is an expert in elastomeric roof coating, has joined Yuhong recently, and he will be leading our coating formulation lab in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, in the US. On the other side, we have also engaged Springhouse PolyX with in-depth all knowledge in water-based polymer, which will be involved in training and technology development. Being a scientist is a tough job, but it can be very rewarding if the end result carries a value for the society. That's how we extract the passion of being a scientist.